By the time you watch this video, you're going to know all about prime and composite numbers. But just in case you need a little refresher, here goes. Prime numbers are numbers that have only and exactly two whole number factors. So, for example, the number 7 can only be divided by 1 and itself. Since it only has two factors, it is considered a prime number. Composite numbers are numbers that have more than two whole number factors. So, for example, if you have the number 9, the factors are 1 in itself, but also 3 times itself. Since it has more than two factors, it's a composite number. I tell kids to think of it kind of like a combo pack at the movies that has more than two items in it. That might help you remember. Here's a little visual to help you remember the difference between prime and composite numbers. Here's a hundreds chart. 1 is a special number because it is not prime or composite. Now 2 is special because it's the only even prime. After that, all the other even numbers are divisible by 2, so we can cross them out for being candidates for being prime numbers. 3 is also a wonderful prime number. After that, you can cross out all your multiples of 3. Etc., etc. And when you continue this process, you're going to see that the only numbers that you have left are going to be the numbers that only have two factors, or the primes. So I'm going to do that real quick. Put it on pause so you don't have to wait for me. Whoa, I'm so glad you guys did not have to wait for me while I was doing all that. It was a pain. But now I'm left with all of the numbers that only have two factors after crossing off each of the multiples one by one by one. And the good news for you is that I made you that little prime number cheat sheet, so you can use that whenever you need to refer to it to figure out which numbers are prime and which ones are composite. Bye-bye.